Okay, the warm-ups for this week. Okay, they're over proportional word problems. Okay, we did this earlier in the year. We did it during e-learning, and I don't know that we spent a whole lot of time on it, but it's important we keep trying. Let me just show you the way that I'm going to have you do these particular warm-up problems, okay, proportion problems. Okay, let's read through this. A student drew a picture of a tree. The scale is 1 inch on paper is equal to 3 feet in real life. Okay, 1 inch on paper is equal to 3 feet of the real thing. Okay, how tall is the actual tree? Okay, so they want us to find X feet, okay, the height of the real thing, the real tree. And they're giving us the drawing here. The drawing is 15 inches high. Okay, and we can use a proportion to figure out how tall the real tree is. And the trick is, this is one way to do it, okay, is I'm going to take the two pieces that are written together, the 1 inch and the 3 feet. See, those are written side by side. That's what I tell my students. Look for the two pieces that are written close together. 1 inch is equal to 3 feet. Make a fraction out of that. Okay, just write it, drag those down to be 1 inch over 3 feet. Okay, then I'm going to take my other two pieces and I'm going to drag them over to the second fraction, but I want to be consistent with my labels. If I have inches on top on the left, I want to have inches on top on the right. If I have feet on the bottom on the left, I want to have feet on the bottom on the right. So when I bring 15 inches over, I need to make sure it's on top because inches is on top. Okay, when I bring X feet down, I need to make sure it's on the bottom. Okay, because inches over feet would be proportional to inches over feet. Okay, there's my proportion. But again, I started out with the two things that were written together. The 1 inch is equal to 3 feet. I used that to be my first fraction. And then I put my other two pieces, making sure that the inches stayed on top and the feet stayed on the bottom. Okay, now it's just a matter of butterflying. Taking the 3 times 15, which is 45. Okay, the butterfly that has both numbers, the 3 and the 15. And then taking that and dividing it by your lonesome number that doesn't have a buddy in the wing, the 1. So 45 divided by 1 is 45 feet tall. Okay, so the tree, the real tree, is 45 feet tall. Okay, let me know if that does not help. This is not the only way to do this problem. I know people can figure out the answer to this problem without even using a proportion. I just wanted you guys to practice this way this week to see if it would help you in other types of problems that we do. Okay, keep me posted if you need anything.